अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, आप देख रहे हैं एसएस न्यूज़। मैं हूं अंजुम। आइए देखते हैं खबरनामा।
24th UCMAS National Competition 2025 opened today at the GMC Balayogi Indoor Stadium, Gachibowli, drawing more than 6,000 young maths talents from across India. In one of the largest showcases of mental arithmetic skills ever held in the country, with 2,500 plus participants from South India alone. The 2 days event being organized on 16th and 17th August 2025 has transformed Hyderabad into a hub of academic energy, precision and youthful determination. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Snehal Karya, CEO and President of UCMAS India, said the UCMAS national competition is more than a contest, it's a celebration of the mind. Watching thousands of children push their limits and achieve remarkable feats in proof that the right training and focus can unlock extraordinary potential. Dr. Chris Jew, Executive Director, UCMAS International, added over the next 2 days, the event will feature multiple competition rounds, cultural performances, and an award ceremony to honor the nation's top young mental maths champions. With over 10,000 visitors expected, the GMC Balyogi Indoor Stadium has truly become the epic center of India's brightest young minds.